Hi everyone, this is Keanu Reeves and this is my pilot episode for Towel Talk. O, abangan nyo kung sino yung unang-unang guest ko. Oh my God. Towel Talk is, let's talk about towels. No, let's talk about behind the towel. Basta everything under the sun pwede natin pag-uusapan. Personal man, sex life, or kung ano man yung buhay-buhay natin, very welcome sa Towel Talk! Yes, abangan! Ayun na everyone! Diba, sabi ko, sino ang first guest ko ngayon sa Towel Talk?